Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the prerequisites: API access, a stable endpoint, and the data fields you need. Next, choose a chart library that supports live updates and annotations. This choice affects callbacks and performance. Then, define the monitor metric clearly, for example, price change percent, volume spike, or RSI threshold, because that decision drives polling frequency and visual cues. Once done, initialize a minimal chart instance and connect the data stream so you can see live values immediately. Now implement the data flow. Choose polling for simplicity or WebSockets for low latency updates, and set frequency between 1s and 60s depending on volatility. Normalize incoming payloads, align timestamps, fix decimals, and handle nulls so your chart receives consistent frames. Attach the metric calculator that computes the monitor value and add smoothing or debounce to avoid noise. Make sure to omit structured events the chart library consumes, and then bind visual markers, colors, and alerts to those events. Finish by wiring alerts to visible chart elements, badges, colored bands, and optional webhook or sound. Optimize rendering by minimizing DOM updates, batching point additions, and using request animation frame for smooth redraws. Validate persistence. Save thresholds and last seen values so the monitor resumes after reloads. For troubleshooting, reproduce fail states, force disconnects, simulate stale data, and trigger rate limits. Then implement exponential backoff and clear user-facing status messages. That single tip will save hours when things go wrong.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.